Hey guys, JBT back at you with another video, and we got a mini tutorial. Well, I got a mini tutorial to show you guys. And today's tutorial, we're gonna be doing some iron sights. So, what you're gonna need is your hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, your gun or your rail that you made, and scissors. We will also be using this little wooden skewer and a pencil. So guys, we're gonna be doing some flip sights for your gun, and let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna be using my little rail piece that I made on my last tutorial. I'm gonna be cutting it down. First, I'm gonna cut this down in half, or just a little over half. And I'm gonna save this piece for something else. I'm gonna keep this piece here. I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna cut that in half. I'm not sure how long you made your rail, but you can make yours from scratch. I will have a tutorial, the link to that tutorial in the description down below, so you can learn how to make these little pieces. So I have my little cardboard attachment points on each end of my rail. If you're making it for a gun, like say for instance the M4, you can put on your M4. But I'm gonna keep it short and just do it for tutorial's sake. And put it on the tutorial rail. All right. So you're gonna take your little wooden skewer and your attachment points. Mark out an area that's about the same width or slightly bigger than your cardboard attachment point, as you can see. And you're gonna do this piece. You're gonna cut this little piece out twice. So as you can see, we have two of these. These are about 1.5 inches long, if you need a reference in terms of length. So here I have a strip of cardboard. I have no idea where this came from, where I got it from, or anything. But I do notice that it is just the size I need. It's not bigger than the little tab piece that we made, or attachment piece we made. So that's good. I'm gonna cut it down to about, I'm gonna just say half will do. Yeah, half. I'm gonna glue this. Actually, I'm gonna put like 2 pieces of cardboard on it, so it'll look like that. Shape them up, glue them together. But before I end up gluing it, I'm gonna make mine look like pistol sights, like the raised MP7 sights that you've seen in Modern Warfare 2019 or something. Something like that. So I cut out the little notch. I'm gonna glue this piece of cardboard on top of it next. I made my little rear sight. I made some room in the middle by cutting the little middle pieces inside the cardboard. I'm gonna take a strip of cardboard, if I can find any. This will do. I'm gonna take a strip and I'm gonna wrap it around the back of it to secure. All right, so I made my little hinge piece. All I need to do now is glue it on here without it sticking. Because we can take some cardboard, take like a little cardboard strip, glue it on the side. Glue it on the side. First, let me show. So this is how I glue those little pieces on. I'm gonna add some glue at the end, like right around there. Then I'm gonna glue it. Oh crap! I got some on little hinge. Then I'm gonna just glue it straight onto it. I'm trying not to get it at the very end, you know, because I'm gonna put some cardboard there so it'll prevent it from coming backwards. But you just want it all in the front. You just want it not all the way at the back, but close to the back. And make sure it is lined up. So I got that piece of cardboard glued on the back of it. So it won't go back any further. It'll only go forward. And I should let that dry. Once that dry, I'm gonna have to work on securing the little exposed cardboard pieces. And that's pretty easy to do. Take some more strips, cardboard, just strip it down and glue them down to secure. Now, the rear sight is done. It's still gonna go back too damn far, but for the most part, it's done. If you want to, you can add some details on there. Anything you want, you know, up to personal preference. Now for the front sight, you can do the exact same thing. Make it look, just put any kind of front post that you want at your disposal. What I'm doing for the front sight actually is different, the reversed effect. Yeah. Like I said, I want them to resemble more like pistol sights. So I'm doing everything in reverse. Well, I'm cutting out everything in reverse. All right, once you finish your sights, make sure they're lined up the size you want. And make sure they're lined up straight. After that, clean up, do whatever you want to do them, design them the way you want to do them, and you're really just done. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you learned something new, you know, like is always appreciated. Comment down in the comment section below your thoughts and suggestions. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and enjoying the content, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. Check out my Instagram page where I post artwork as well. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and until the next video, take care. Peace out.